Assalamu alaikum, curious kids. Welcome to English class with me, Sarah. Today we are going to talk about question words. Focus on my words. I asked you a question. How are you? And your answer is?
I am fine.
Kids, remember? When you read, when you write, when you read, when you write, there are 6 question words to keep in mind. Who, what, when, where, how, and why. Who, what, when, where, how, and why. Let's look at the following sentences, kids. Who is your teacher? Where do you live? What is your favorite fruit? Imagine these all sentences without question words. Does they make sense? No. The correct way to start or ask a question sentence is with question word and end with question mark. Kids, do you know when we use question words? Yes. When we want to know about someone or something, when we are looking for an explanation. And they are sometimes called interrogative words. Let's see each question word separately. Where? Ask about places. When? Ask about time. Who? Ask about people and characters and stories sometime. Why? Ask about the reasons things happen the way they do. What? Ask about the things, ideas, and actions too. How? Ask about people and the way things are done. So, kids, remember, every question words are used to ask different types of questions. Kids, please see this story to learn about question sentences and how we use them.
Who is baking the cake for the party?
I am baking the cake. What are you doing?
I am making chicken cutlet. When will you finish baking the cake?
In 15 minutes. Where is the cream?
It is in the fridge.
Which color should I add to cream?
Pink.
Why should I add pink?
You must add pink because it's my favorite color. How will you add it?
I will use a dropper.
Wow, this looks delicious.
Kids, I hope you will try to practice today's lesson at home. Thank you and enjoy learning.